What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create this smooth and powerful transition step by step, so make sure to watch till the end. First, add your clips to the timeline. Now go to Effects, tap on Add Effects, and apply the shake effect. Adjust the effect between both clips just like this. At the beginning of the effect, add a keyframe and keep the speed at maximum. Move forward and add another keyframe. Then set the intensity to 70%. After that, add one more keyframe and reduce both speed and intensity to 0. Now simply duplicate this effect. Next, tap on the transition between the two clips. Apply the tremble zoom transition, set the speed to 0.3, and tap Done. Now let's create a smooth zoom in and zoom out effect. First, split your clip. Add a keyframe at the start and another at the end. On the ending keyframe, slightly zoom in. Duplicate this clip and reverse it. Go back to the first clip, tap on the graph option and add a custom graph. On the second clip, apply the opposite graph. Follow these same steps for all your clips. Now move to the beginning of the timeline. From my Telegram, download the green screen ball video and add it to your project. Go to speed and adjust it according to your edit. Scroll down, tap Remove BG, then select Chroma Key. Choose the green color and set the intensity to 90%. When Rohit hits the ball, place the ball PNG at that exact moment and resize it. Add a keyframe at the start of the clip and another at the end, then slightly zoom the ball. Go to Graph and select the Easy In graph. Now open Animation, go to Out, select the Fold animation, and set the speed to 0.1. For the final touch, go to Effects, tap Add Effect, and apply Tremor Strobe. Inside the object settings, select the main video, slightly reduce the glow, and extend this effect across the entire video. And that's it. Your edit is now complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in the next one.